Aurellune is the beautiful ruby realm of Arts and Ponderings. Brush wands use colors that shape reality. From the smallest detail tools to grand ceremonial instruments, each brush wand is known by its grip well, unique to the artist who bears it. Based on the artist's intent and skill, some adorn, some deceive, some defend. They can shape glamour, create living ornament, draw into matter the likes of shields, painted armor, and more. In Aurellune, art and beauty combined with will and imagination are wielded forces of nature.